You may know quince as a fruit, but you have never seen how quince becomes golden jelly.
From fresh quince to rich golden jelly, this transformation is extraordinary.
Inside a modern quince factory, every batch of quince jelly is carefully crafted.
Turning raw quince into smooth golden jelly is a process few people ever see.
Stay with us to witness the complete quince journey, from fresh fruit to golden jelly.
Every quince journey begins in the orchard.
Quince matures slowly to full aroma.
Quince quality is checked before harvest.
Quince harvesting requires care.
Quince handling prevents bruising. As the sun sets on the orchard, the sheer scale of the quince harvest becomes clear.
Quince is prepared for transport. Quince leaves the orchard.
The harvest complete, this bounty of quince now begins its long journey along the highway, traveling to the factory.
Quince arrives at the factory.
Quince intake begins. Quince enters processing.
Quince quality control starts early.
Quince batches are measured.
Quince consistency is ensured.
Quince cleaning begins.
Quince's surface is cleaned. Quince hygiene is ensured.
Quince is now clean.
Quince moves to cutting stage. Quince is prepared for cutting.
Quince cutting begins.
Quince processing follows safety rules.
Quince is sliced.
Quince flesh appears pale.
Quince core is removed.
Quince quality is protected.
Quince cooking starts.
Quince begins transforming. Quince texture develops.
Quince releases natural color.
Quince cooking is controlled.
Quince jelly sweetness is balanced.
Quince jelly forms.
Quince jelly reaches proper set. Quince jelly is tested. Quince containers are prepared. Quince jelly is jarred.
Quince jelly gains identity. Quince shelf life is marked.
Quince quality is verified. Quince jars are boxed.
Quince cartons are secured.
Quince pallets are prepared.
Quince jelly is protected.
Quince jelly is stored safely.
Quincy stock is tracked.
Quince logistics are organized.
Quince distribution begins. Quince transport begins. From the factory floor, the Quince begins its journey to the market. Quince enters retail flow.
Quince jelly reaches consumers. Quince purchase is made. Quince goes home.
Quince enters daily life.
Quince jelly is ready.
Quince texture is smooth.
Quince jelly is enjoyed. Quince delivers rich flavor.
Quince is easy to store. Quince builds trust.
Quince prepares for export. Quince enters global trade.
Quince crosses oceans. Quince reaches global markets. Quince is enjoyed worldwide.
Quince global presence grows.
Quince brand stands for quality. Quince relies on teamwork. Quince cycle begins again. Quince follows a precise process.
Quince transforms completely. Quince reaches perfection. Quince is ready to enjoy.
Quince brings people together.
Quince work never pauses.
Quince quality stays consistent.
Quince freshness is protected.
Quince final product.
Quince completes the journey from fresh fruit to golden jelly.
Quince jarring continues with precision.
Once the Quince products are ready, they are precisely packaged and prepared for distribution to retailers. Quince storage is carefully organized.
Quince logistics remain efficient.
Quince jelly freshness is continuously monitored.
Quincy quality decisions are data-driven.
Quince safety checks continue. Quince jelly purity is verified.
Quince batches are cleared.
Quince prepares for shipment. Quince transport begins. Quince shipment is secured.
Quince travels across regions.
Quince covers long distances.
Quince reaches urban markets.
Quince enters regional storage.
Quince distribution is optimized.
Quince heads to retail locations.
Quince reaches nearby consumers.
Quince prepares for shelves.
Quince jelly becomes visible.
Quince quality is clearly shown.
The Quince choice is considered.
Quince is selected.
Quince jelly is ready.
Quince texture is smooth.
Quince jelly is enjoyed.
Quince delivers rich sweetness.
Quince fits everyday life.
Quince offers natural benefits.
Quince stays simple.
Quince is easy to store.
Quince becomes a household favorite.
Quince builds trust.
Quince prepares their export.
Quince reaches global markets.
Quince relies on teamwork.
Quince precision is maintained.
Quince production never stops.
Quince cycle begins again. Quince follows a precise process.
Quince transforms completely.
Quince reaches perfection.
Quince is ready to enjoy.
Oh wow, this is incredible, honey.
It really is. It really is.
Quince brings people together.
Quince production continues daily.
Quince work never pauses. Quince standards remain high.
Quince quality stays consistent.
Quince freshness is protected.
Quince creates memories.
Quince stays ready.
Quince availability grows.
Quince completes transformation.
Quince convenience remains.
Quince production remains active. Quince process continues.
Quince final experience.